In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new customer in Zoho Books. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Books. Then log into your account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see things like invoices, expenses, and other financial information. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because customers are saved under the organization you're currently viewing. Now, look at the menu panel on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, you'll want to click on the Sales section. This is where Zoho groups everything related to selling, like estimates, invoices, and of course, customers. Clicking on Sales will expand a list of related options. Within that Sales section, find and click on Customers. This will open the Customers page, where you can see a list of all the customers that have already been added to your Zoho Books account. This list is useful later on for searching, filtering, or editing customer information, but right now we're going to focus on creating a new one. On the Customers page, look towards the top right corner of the screen for a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on New. This will open a blank customer form where you can enter all the details for the new customer you want to add. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with the basic information, like the customer's name and any display name you want to use on your invoices. You can also enter